Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody, good morning. Welcome back to the math video. Today, let's learn together about multiplication, multiples, factors, and mental multiplication. Let's start. Now, please open your textbook, page 136. Multiples. Look at the product made with the number 3. Okay, this is 3 times 1 equals 3, 3 times 2 equals 6, 3 times 3 equals 9, and 3 times 4 equals 12. Okay, the product of 3 and any number is called a multiple of 3. Okay, we can see that 3, 6, 9, and 12 are all multiples of 3. So, 3, 6, 9, and 12 are the product of 3. Okay, Majid said, so 12 is a multiple of 3 because 3 times 4 equals 12. Yes, 3 and 4 are also factors of 12. Okay, next page. Let's look at the first 10 multiples of 2 and 3. Multiples of 2 are this. Let's look at the first 10 multiples of 2 and 3. Okay, multiples of 2 are this. 2, 4, 6, 8. From 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. Okay, and multiples of 3 are this. 3, 6, 9. From 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. Okay, find multiples that are common to both 2 and 3. Okay, the first is 6. Okay, and the next 12, and the next 18. Okay, so the common multiples of 2 and 3 is 6, 12, and 18. And 6 is the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3. Now 3. Find the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5. The lowest common. Okay, this is multiples of 4 and 5. Okay, this is 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So the first common is 20. Okay, so 20 is the lowest common multiple. Number 4. Find the second common multiple of 3 and 8. Okay, the second. The first common is 24. So the second common is 48. Okay, next page. Okay, let's try it. Which of these numbers are multiples of 5? 5, okay. Of course, this and this. Why? Okay, 5 times 3 equals 15. And 5 times 15 equals 75. Now, number 2. Which of these numbers are multiples of 7? Okay, 7. Of course, this and this. Because 7 times 7 equals 49 and 7 times 2 equals 14. Now, Find the first 8 multiples of 8. Okay, of course the first number is 8 because 8 times 1 equals 8. 16. Why? Because 6 times 2 equals 16. 6 times 3 equals 24. And the next 32, 40, 48, 56, and 64. Okay? Number 4. Find the lowest common multiple of 3 and 5. Okay, 3. You can write 3 here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21. Okay, 5. 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20. So the lowest common or the first common is 15. Okay, so the result is 15. Okay, next page. Okay, now about factors. The product of 2 and 6 is 12 because 2 times 6 equals 12 and 6 times 2 equals 12. Okay, the number that make up a product are called factors. Okay, there are 2 rows and 6. This is 2 rows and 6 cashew nuts. 2 times 6 equals 12 and 2 and 6 are factors of 12. Can we arrange the cashew nuts in other ways? Okay. 3 times 4 equals 12 and 4 times 3 equals 12. So we can arrange 3 and 4. There are 3 rows of 4 cashew nuts. So 3 and 4 are also factors of 12. Okay, now there is 1 row of 12 cashew nuts because 1 times 12 equals 12. So 1 and 12 are also factors of 12. Okay, they are all of the factors of 12 because 1 times 12 equals 12, 2 times 6 equals 12, and 3 times 4 equals 12. So the factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay, next page. Find out if 5 is a factor of 16. Okay, we have 16 soccer balls. Let's make groups of 5. We can make 3 groups of 5, but there is 1 left over. So 5 is not a factor of 16. Okay. Number 4. Is 7 a factor of 18? Okay, we can check if 7 is a factor by dividing 18 by 7. Okay, like this. 18 dividing 7 equals 2. Remainder 4. Why? Okay, 7 times 2 equals 14 and plus 4 equals 18. So 18 dividing 7 equals 2, remainder 4. Okay, so 7 is not a factor of 18. If there is a remainder after we divide, the number is not a factor. Now 5. Is 6 a factor of 18? Okay, we can check it by dividing 18 by 6. Okay, like this. Okay, there is no remainder, so 6 is a factor of 18. Okay, now let's try it. Use a table below to find all the factors of 24. Okay, the factor of 24 are, okay, we can see 24, 24, and this. So the factor of 24 are 3, 4, 6, and 8. 3 times 8 equals 24, and 4 times 6 equals 24. Number 2. Draw dots and group them to show that 3 is not a factor of 20. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 17, 18, 19, 12. Okay. From the arranged dot, we know that 3 is not a factor of 20 because remainder 2 here. Number 3. Use division to show that 6 is a factor of 30. Okay, we can write 30 divided 6 equals 5. And there is no remainder. There is no remainder. So 6 is a factor of 6 is a factor of 30. Okay. Now number 4. Use division to show that 8 is not a factor of 49. Okay, we can write 49 divided by 8 equals 6. Reminder 1. So 8 is not a factor of 49. Okay. Next, find all the factors of this number. Okay, this is 1 times 14, 2 times 7. Okay, now 21. 1 times 20 and 3 times 7. 36. Okay, this of course 1 and 36. And the next 2 times 18, 3 times 12, and the next 4 times 9. Okay, so the factor of 36 are this. Now D, 27. Of course 1 and 27. And 3 times 6 and 9. 3 times 9. Okay. Number 2. Which of these numbers is a factor 81? Of course, this. 9 times 9 equals 81, or 81 divided by 9 equals 9. Okay. Next, mental multiplication. Double these numbers mentally. Okay, A, 45. Majid said, double the tens. So 2 times 40. So this is 18. 80. Next, Sharif said, double the ones. Double the ones. 2 times 5 equals 10. And Jamila said, now add them together. So 80 plus 10 equals 90. Okay, next be 67. Okay, the first we have to double the tens. This is 6. So 2 times 60 equals 120. And the next double the ones. 2 times 7 equals 14. And add them together like this. So double 67 is 134. Now double 460 monthly. Okay, the first you can write 46 times 10. This is 460. Now you can double the tens first. So 2 times 40 equals 80, and double the ones. 2 times 6 equals 12. So add them equals 92. Now 92 times 10 equals 920. So the double of 460 is 920. Find half of these numbers mentally. 320. The first like this and the next like this. So like this. Okay, next. Double this number mentally. Okay, this is 24, 54, 66, and the next 94, 440, and 820. Half this number mentally. Half. Okay, this is 80, 90, 110, 210, 180, 250. Multiply this number by 4 mentally. Okay, this is 45, 44. This is 60, 104. Okay, 4. Multiply this number by 5 mentally. 55. This is 75. And the next, see, 26 times 5. Okay, 30. So 13. So this is 13. Okay. Now number 5, multiply this number by 20. 118, 240, 320, 44, 440. This is 360 and 680. Okay, next page. Okay, A, list the first 6 multiples of 3. Okay, we can write 3, 6, 12, 15, 18, and 20. The first 5 multiples of 7. 7, of course, 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. 7 times 3, 21, times 4, 28, and times 5, 35. Okay, next E. List the first three common multiples of 3 and 7. 3 and 7. 21, 42, and 63. Next, find out if 3 is a factor of 36. Make groups of 3. Okay, make group of 3 like this. Like this. Okay, answer the question. Are there any apples remaining? No. Is 3 a factor? Is 36? Yes. Okay. Number 4. List all the factor of the following numbers. Okay, 12. 1, 12. 2 times 6. Okay. And 3 times 4. 14. 1 times 14. 2 times 7. 27. 1 times 27. 3 times 9. Okay. Now 48. 1 times 48. And the next 2 times 24. The next 3 times 16. And 4 times 12. Okay. Now E. 28. 1 times 28. 2 times 14. And 4 times 7. And the next 58. 1 times 58. 2 times 28. 4 times 14. 7 times 8. Okay. Next page. Now please do assignment in workbook. Page this. And thank you for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.